Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, November 26th. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you had a fabulous weekend among loved ones. We're here on Harbor and Victoria Street in Costa Mesa, and I'm right next to the Family Store Salvation Army. And it's a Saturday, and the weather's fantastic. It's like cool, 55 degrees. It's sunny, it's gorgeous, and this is one of my favorite little spots to go to. And not only do they have great finds, but you know, it goes to a good cause. So we're next to the Norm's Diner, and Harbor has a lot of different businesses, and it just converges to the Triangle where there's fitness clubs and restaurants and all kinds of things. But we're going to go inside to the Salvation Army. Now, I just left Irvine, California, and you can see I really couldn't find much there. I had a cup of coffee at Starbucks, so I'm feeling pretty good. But I'm kind of going to take the day off a little bit. I mean, I've been working so hard for the holidays, and I know all you've been working hard for the holidays, and it's a tough time of the year, and I'm feeling good today. It's gorgeous today, and I'm just going to go in here. Now, the last time I was here, I bought a 88 key keyboard, and we're just going to take a look, so I have to be quiet. There's a nice TV stand here. It's in glass, but they got all kinds of little art here. There's an elephant. We got some ships. And a little bit of a variety of real art. Oh, look at this beautiful original painting here of the ocean, framed for $14.99. Isn't that nice? I love that. That's really nice. This chair is nice. And they've got like bicycles, and it's that old hutch for $129, and some large dated art frames, and some really dated art over here, frame print in a very dated frame, the men's shoes, and if you want some high heels, girls, here we go. Lady Gaga in the house. If you want some Lady Gaga boots, here we go. Lady Gaga in the house. It's no place like home. Okay, so some interesting art. Now, oh, look at this. We've got a love. That is adorable. Look at that. Love. Love, love, love. Love, 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 love. I think it's lighted. I think it turns on somehow. Oh, it does. It's not battery operated. I love that. I love the love. Look at that. I don't know how much that is, but I would buy that in a heartbeat. So, look at that. That's nice. Love. Love, people. Love, love, love. By the Beatles. Okay, we might get that. They got all kinds of fake flowers. And anyways, so back to the tour. We've got all kinds of women's clothes and a lot of like knickknacks and glassware. I buy glassware once in a while here. Coffee cups, if I find one. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I just had my coffee. So that's a nice one. I like that. It's $1.99. I like that. I might get that. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right. So, okay, here's a nice one with a little thought on it for the day. May your heart be free, way your imagination run wild. Oh, may your imagination run wild, and may your spirit never be tamed. And they've got a pretty little horse on there. Isn't that adorable? Let's read that over. May your heart be free, may your imagination run wild, and may your spirit never be tamed. Oh, that would be me. Okay, so that's kind of cute, but I really don't want to have a horse and a philosophical book. So they've got a lot of glassware, and of course they've got great men's shirts and shorts and all kinds of kitchenwares and, you know, knickknacks if you want a pretty little angel or whatever, and frames and candlesticks and flower vases. And I've bought a flower vase here before. It was really nice. So, and then it's just whatever catches my eye. I like the seashell assortment here. This is cute. If you want a little seashell assortment on your beach. And then I've noticed with a lot of the thrift stores, they kind of color coordinate things. This is the blue section, this is the white section, and this is like the crystal collection over here. We've got a little church in crystal. I shouldn't touch things and then we've got a little Christmas section right here with a cute little panda or penguin for $3.99, which is a little overpriced, but he's cute. For Christmas. Happy holidays, everybody. We've got Beyonce playing, or somebody, and all kinds of knick-knack furniture, and wall art. We've got Adam Levine's chair from The Voice, Blake Shelton's chair, and the voice chair, everyone, and Bad to the Bone. This is cute. We have a dog. Bad to the Bone wall art. All right, so my mom loved the thrift stores. All right, we've got some flat screen TVs for $99 and some very dated country time furniture and nothing really mid-century here. Little fish tank, nice little fish tank for $14. That's cute. It's got everything you need. It's got the filter and the fish products and the little accessories to go with it. That's cute. Got plants and flowers and all kinds of stuff. Just what you need. But I've had fish before, and it's really a lot of maintenance to have fish or birds. We've got some interesting coffee pots and toasters, keyboards, glow-in-the-dark keyboards, and some very dated furniture, which I wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole. We've got a Mr. Coffee maker. That's pretty nice. But I already bought a coffee maker here, so very nice one. And that's about it. Nothing that's caught my eye. Nothing that I really want to buy. But it's a nice day to relax. Oh, they got men's clothing. Let's go check out the men's clothing. This caught my eye. This little car. Oh, what is that? That's a nice sculpture. Oh, what is that? What that is in this? Some nice tank tops. Schaefer beer. is it 100% cotton though? 60% cotton, some rayon. Old Navy. Let's get it. Okay. All right. What's about that? Oh, I see tie-dye. All right. Nothing really caught my fancy here. Maybe this reindeer outfit. That's cute. Look at that. Oh, it's a kangaroo outfit. It's a kangaroo outfit. Children. Don't need that. Women's clothing. If you need. All right. This is the Salvation Army, everyone. We're getting out of here. I have everything I need. I usually like these little things. Some gigs. So. These are cute. And we're gonna skip the love today. Because it's probably too expensive anyways. How much is the love? How much is love? Doesn't have a price tag on it.
Love is priceless.
Love is priceless, she says. Oh, good answer. Very good. Thank you. I love that. I love that. It's nice. Oh, thank you. Isn't that adorable? Love is priceless. It is, isn't it?
They're on $7.99.
Oh, $7.99 for love.
For love.
Oh, it's worth it,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do it.
You take it.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Let's go.
Let's go. We just bought love, people. I say money can't buy love, but yeah, but I just did, so that's all there is to it. It can be bought if you're at the Salvation Army. You can buy thanks too if you want. They've got thanks over here, but I like this one. Oh, a little moccasin. Look at that. Little moccasins for $1.99. I'm gonna get that. I found a little Indian. Is that Indian moccasin? You think?
That's an Indian moccasin.
Isn't that nice? A little Indian moccasin. We'll get that from my nephew.
Okay.
He'll like that. Very good. I don't need a bag. It'll be good. So we got a little song to sing, you know. Can't buy me love.
You want to round it up for $10?
Round it up to $10. It goes to the
Okay, wait till you see
to
my
a
little fish.
good cause.
There she is.
Oh, good.
That's my fish.
I like this store. I haven't been here in a while, but I usually buy something. Oh, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
All right. Yes. There we go. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Have a blessed day as well. How were your holidays? Good?
Really good. And yours?
It was nice. Yeah. It was great weather. I spent time at the beach and just
Right.
have a great day. Thank you so much. Just about love. Can't buy me love. Everybody wants love. Can't buy me love. I just bought love. Everybody tells me so. Can't buy me.
The Beatles were wrong.
I know. I
You
know.
just bought love.
I know. Isn't that great? I know. Well.
You gotta love it.
And the nice thing is that it's electrical, so it turns on.
Oh, good.
Yeah, with batteries, hopefully. So have a great day. Thank you. Bye. See, the Beatles were wrong, she says. All right, everybody.